Here we are, Thursday, September 8th. It is getting a little windy. It's been kind of raining for a while. Oh, we got this wind coming. This isn't good. Oh, see, I can snap all those little spiky things there. It can snap the tops off of them. I got 4 or 5 there. I got 1 or 2 over here. I got 2 actually over here. I got a couple more there. I think a couple of these are getting tough enough to where they won't snap as easily, but it does not take a lot to snap them when they're, when they don't have any branches on them like that. They are really, really kind of delicate. No. Oh. And the other thing is the taller, tougher ones that have been there for a year or two, they will sway against the ones with no branches on them and kind of snap them off. Whoa! So you see that one will kind of bend over and look at them go! Oh my God! And this one will be whipping that way, the other one will be whipping back the other way, and they hit each other and snap each other off. That's a pretty good size. I want a couple of these big, thick ones to survive. Oh my God! I hope it doesn't get anything windier. We've got a ton of rain on the radar map. Whoa! A lot out over the Gulf. Ton of it north of. Oh, and there went one right there. Did you hear that? Oh man, I did. Sounded like a piece of celery. Oh man. See, this is what you got to worry about if you want it tall anyways. So yeah, I got to see one actually go right there. The rain is good, the wind not so much. And I'm worried about these ones out here because those are going to be pretty tall. You can hear the thunder in the distance there. Whoa, man, them things are really... See, and they'll whip one way, and then the older ones will come back and catch it and snap it right off. Yeah, I can... Only took off about 3, but that one won't get any taller now. It's going to stop right there. If it has a tip on it, it'll keep growing. Once that tip breaks off, that's it. Oh, I can't watch anymore. The horror. Oh. No! Oh, easy. You can see the one top up there swinging around on the end here. Oh, man. Pretty cool out too. This is like a September rain. Whoa, easy guys, easy. Whoa, look at them things are. See, that's what'll happen. It'll blow and then it'll come back and hit that. Starting to rain a little more. I mean, it's kind of neat when it blows in the wind, but not when it's this young. It's nice to see it swaying in the wind, but not when it breaks it. Ooh, that one in there is like bobbing back and forth. Oh. Heard something. I think maybe that was the neighbors. Oh man, yeah, I got a bunch more over there. Oh yeah, starting to rain again. I think that noise was my broom blowing over. So yeah, the rain is good, but the wind kind of scares me a little. I don't like that. That's not good. Kind of coming in from the west here, coming in this way. Oh, you can see a bunch of spikes dancing out there too. Those are already pretty tall. We lose a couple of those, not a big deal. Those will still be good donors for cloning, even if they did snap off a little of the top. Well, and the same goes with the other ones over here, but the ones in my yard I actually want to get tall and big. Alright, so we just lost power for a second, but, oh there, frogs are, ooh, that's our predator frog. Sounds kind of like predator. But, yeah, we just lost power for a second, so the cable's out till the router reboots or whatever. But yeah, nice little rain. This will fill up the tanks out there. And, well, everything's getting watered, that's for sure. Alright, the wind died back a little bit. We got some good drenching rain. Beautiful. All the rain that bamboo could possibly want. And I didn't get hit by lightning.